Welcome to Productronica in Munich at the booth of EPP. Next to me is Vladimir Sitko from PBT Works. Hello, Mr. Sitko.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Sitko, what news are introducing this year at the show?
Well, this year we have basically from outside the same machine like last Productronica with one big difference. We cannot expose our newest model because it's too big. It would be bigger than our booth. We started to deliver a complete inline solution with complete automation from assembly line to coating line, which is a really breakdown in the handling because so far all the handling, even to the big cleaning mesh belt inline, has to be done with assistance of the operator.
And which target group are you addressing with it?
We are mainly speaking with the people. They build very reliable products, either from medicine, medical, or automotive, or plane or space applications.
And which developments in the market do you predict technically or economically?
So here on the first, we start hearing about some damming of the progress, and so we don't feel so. Because with the growing complexity of the electronic assembly, the necessity of cleaning is growing very dramatically. So for us, it's a booming period. And for instance, we have increased our sales and production since last year for 40%. And the next year will be even higher.
And what trends in development of cleaning for microelectronics do you see in the future?
Well, the biggest challenge for us as machine manufacturer is the education of the customers. Unfortunately, there is a lack of people. They understand cleaning very deeply because cleaning is a very big mixture of different fields: physics, chemistry, mechanics, and not many people has understood this process different way, like some box where we put things and we put them out clean. Clean means not clean from surface. Clean means for the assembly mainly cleaning under components. And while the gaps under components are shrinking and shrinking with the bottom terminated components, and it will be in the future with the very high frequency technology like for G5 and so on, the challenge for cleaning will grow, and we are developing new methods, also new diagnostic method for cleaning, which we also expose in our booth, to be able for us and for the customer to judge whether the cleaning result is really good or only compromise.
Thanks a lot for these information.
Thank you.